Hi everyone, once again I'm back with another tutorial video. In this following video, I will be guiding you on how to recover your online banking account of Mechanics Bank. So I'll show you the step-by-step procedure on how you can recover your online banking account of Mechanics Bank, and then the procedure to recover your account is pretty simple. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the step as guided. First of all, you'll have to head towards your web browser. You can use any web browser that is convenient for you. As you open up your web browser, right on top there is a search box, so then type in the link that is www.mechanicsbank.com. You can find the link on my description box as well. Once you type in the link, on the other page you will land inside the official site. On the same page in the top right corner you can see sign in. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, there's a drop down menu. And first of all you'll have to select your account type. So in order to select an account type, tap on the arrow icon which is right in the corner. As you tap on the arrow icon, the page expands and over here you have multiple options. Now select it according to your account. Once you're done selecting your account type, don't know your user ID, then simply leave it blank. And on the password option as well, do the same thing, leave it blank. So on the password you can see there is an option called forgot or need help with user ID or password. So over here you'll have to select it according to your need. For example, if you have forgotten your user ID, then tap on user ID right over here. And in case you have forgotten both your login information, then tap on password. So out here you can see right in center you'll have to provide some information that is asked. So first of all you can see that they've asked you for your phone number. So then make sure to enter the correct phone number that is linked with your Mechanics Bank account. And once you're done entering your phone number, next move on to username. Now over here if you know your username, so then type in your username, and if you don't know your username, then simply leave it blank and then scroll down right to the bottom, and in the bottom left corner you can see there is I forgot my username. Tap on it. Once you do that, on the other page you'll have to enter your information, that is your email address, and also make sure to enter the email address that is linked with your Mechanics Bank account. So once you're done entering your email address, tap on send in the bottom left corner. So once you tap on send, now make sure to check your email address, see a recover link. So then what you have to do is you'll simply have to tap on the link, and on the other page you'll get to reset or recreate a new username. And once you're done creating your new username, what you have to do is simply go back, tap on cancel. Over here you have to enter the newly created username, so make sure to enter it correctly. Once you're done entering all your information, make sure to go through it once again, only then tap on send me a new password in the bottom left corner, and once you do that you'll receive a new password. So after you receive a new password, what you have to do is go back to your login page and then enter the newly created login information on your login page, and once you tap on login, on the other page you will successfully land inside your online banking account of Mechanics Bank. And that is how you can recover your online banking account of Mechanics Bank. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.